Hi everyone, my name is Brianna Stewart, and I wanted to give you a quick demo of Metaverse. Metaverse is an augmented reality site where you can build different experiences, and I'm going to show you one that I've been working on here recently. So Halloween just passed, so I figured I would do a Halloween themed Metaverse adventure. So basically, you have these different scenes. You can add characters. And you can kind of decide how the experience will go. So the first one is just kind of like a welcome slide, right? Say welcome to Halloween Town. They can either exit, which will lead them to just stopping, and then enter will take them to the next slide, or ask them to put their name in. Once they do that, they're kind of given instructions on what they're going to be doing. So basically, they're trick or treating. They have to do different tasks to get the candy. Um, so the first one that they have to do is they have to take a photo, and you can always edit the buttons to change what they say. So this is going to take you to one that is a photo wall. So they'll take a picture. You do have to create the photo wall. If you don't already have one, you just click over here for new, and it kind of links it to a photo wall. So when they finish, they get this piece of candy. I chose pictures that had transparent backgrounds. I just kind of Googled pictures of candy, so that it would still kind of look like it was in that augmented reality experience. So then they got a piece of candy. Then I had them do a poll. So I said, all right, on to house two. They're taking a poll. Where's the best place to trick or treat? Again, you have to create the poll, which is really easy. Just hit new and name the poll, and then link it to the response page. And then this last one, they got some M&Ms. All right, so the next part, I think I wanted to add a 360 video. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to add a new scene. I'm going to pick a character slide. I think I'm going to change the character. I don't want to do Pokemon anymore. Let's see. I'm going to change. I think I saw a Harry Potter character that I wanted to use. I think their name was Chris. We'll use this guy. All right. So we'll say at the next house, you'll have to watch a scary SCAR movie. All right. All right. So then we're going to add the button, and maybe we'll say watch. Okay. So we're going to add another scene. All right. Our new scene. We're going to add this 360 video. So I was in here exploring earlier, and I saw that they had some Halloween scenes. So I just wanted to throw that one in. Seemed like it would be fun. All right, I saw these two, but there's a bunch to choose from. They're kind of different topics, so you have to kind of pick one that goes with your topic. So they'll watch this little video. Once they finish watching that, I have to give them their last piece of candy. So we will click on this. Actually, we'll do add new. I'll show you how to add it that way. I'm going to do this one so that we can add the piece of candy. So you see it's not already linked. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to click this little button and link it, or you can do the drop down, either one. All right, so I'm going to add a new item. We're going to do the last little lump of candy. There we go. And then maybe we'll add a last little scene with our last character saying, good job, you made it. Right? You made it to all the houses. And then maybe our last button will be go home and eat your candy. All right, and then to end the experience, instead of transitioning to another scene, we're just going to say end experience. All right, so let's see if we can give this a try. see if we can see what this looks like. All right, I'm going to scan the QR code and we'll see if this game works. All right, so we'll do it like this. All right, welcome to Halloween Town. Enter. Right, ask us to enter our name. Say Brianna. All right, it's giving us instructions. We're going to be asked to visit a couple houses. All right, we'll start with the first house. They want us to take a picture of our costume. All right. We can see who's trick-or-treating, right? If other people have been trick-or-treating, we could see. All right, we claim our first piece of candy. All right, on to house 2. All right, we're going to take a poll. Where is the best place? Okay, there's a poll. 4 people have said east. There's our next piece of candy. All right, there's our little Harry Potter character that we just added. And here is the video scene that we loaded, and it's kind of like a 360. You can spin your camera around and see it. Once we're finished with that, we get our last piece of candy, and it says we made it to all of the houses. All right, and then we eat our candy and go home. All right, so that's Metaverse. It does a lot of other things, but that was just kind of a quick overview of some of the things it can do. I mean, there's so many different options of things you can add and experiences that you can add for your kids. All right, thanks so much for watching. Bye.